So hey guys, now we are going to see how can we style our links using CSS. So with CSS, links can be styled in many different ways with properties like color, font family, background and etc. There are many different properties of CSS that we can apply in order to style our links. Okay. In addition, links can be styled differently depending upon the state they are in. So a link has different states, basically 4 states. First is the normal link, that is A is the anchor tag over here and link is the state. So this is a normal or unvisited link. The second is A visited, which means that a link which the user has visited. The third state is A hover, which means a link when the user mouses over it. And fourth state is A active, a link the moment which is clicked. Okay, so let us now look all of these properties in our code. Okay, so first of all I am going to take the boilerplate, and over here let's create a link first of all. So I am going to use an anchor tag. After that I am going to put a text over here, suppose Google. Now what we need is we need a link, so let me put the link of Google here, google.com. okay, so now our work is done. Now first of all let us look initially how our link is looking. So you can see that initially our link is looking something like this. So now let us try to apply different properties first of all, and then we will look at different states of this link. So first of all I am going to add a style tag over here only because I am using internal CSS. okay, so let us give a class to this anchor. So the class is, let us name any, you can name the class any of your choice. So I am naming it with link only. So let's target it. So using dot operator I am going to target it. Now I want that this line should not come under this Google, right? Now you can see that beneath this Google text a line is coming, underline is coming. So if I don't want that, what I can do is I can apply text decoration property. I can set it to none. Once I save it, you can see the line is not coming now. Let us see another, let us see by applying another property. So let us apply the color as black. So I want that the color should be black instead of blue. You can see that now it is black. You can keep any color of your choice. And suppose if you want to set the background color, so I'm going to set it to black. So if the background is black, then let's make the color as white so that it is visible to us. So now you can see that this is the this is how our link is looking. So in this way you can apply different properties on this link and you can style it as per your choice. Now let us see the different states that we have seen. Okay, so this is the initial state, that is it is currently unvisited and the normal link. What we are going to do is we are going to take this class and give it a state as hover, which means that whenever I keep my mouse pointer over the link, then these properties should be applied. So let me put a property, a simple property wherein I am going to keep the background color as green. Okay, so I'll save it, and you can see that whenever I am taking my mouse pointer over this link, the color is changing to green. Okay, let us now look at another state. So I'm going to copy the same thing and I'm going to give it the state as visited. This means what? Once we click on it and once we visit the site, and then when we will come to this link again, it will be these properties will be applied to it. So let us give the background color as blue once we visit it. So let us save it. Okay, so right now when I hover it, it is green. Once I click it and go to this link, and once I come back, you can see the color is now, background color is now blue, which means that this state properties are now applied, visited one. There is another state. So let me copy this again and let's just change the state only. So another state is active. So this active state, let us give the background color as something like pink. Okay, and once I save it, you can see that this active state is let me refresh the page first of all. Okay, because we have visited it, it is showing the visited one. Let me open the same thing in an incognito so that it don't consider it as visited. Okay, so this is the page and our link. Once I hover it, it is green. Now once I click it, you can see the color is green. So I have press my mouse pointer, now once I release it, it will be visited. Okay, so now you understand what is active state. So there are different states. The first one was like the normal link, the second one was hover, third one was visited, and the fourth one was active. So in this video we have seen how can we style links and the different states that can be applied on links. So thanks for watching the video. In order to see more such videos, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I am creating a complete playlist on CSS. Make sure to check that playlist too. Thanks for watching the video.